Welcome to the ultimate guide on growing papaya plants from seed to fruit. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this video will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate your own papayas at home. In this comprehensive tutorial, we will delve into the art of papaya cultivation, sharing valuable insights on planting, nurturing, and harvesting these tropical fruits. Get ready to explore essential planting tips that will set the foundation for healthy papaya growth in your garden. Follow along to ensure your papaya plants thrive and bear fruit abundantly. Discover the secrets behind successful papaya care, from proper watering techniques to maintaining optimal soil conditions. Learn how to nurture your papaya plants for optimal health and productivity. Uncover the art of harvesting papayas at the peak of ripeness to enjoy the sweetest flavors. Master the techniques that ensure your papayas are picked at the perfect time for maximum taste. Join us on this journey as we guide you through the rewarding process of growing papayas from seed to fruit. Witness the transformation from tiny seeds to luscious tropical papaya fruits. Embrace the joy of tending to your papaya plants and watching them flourish under your care. Experience the satisfaction of nurturing nature's bounty in your own backyard. Learn the art of papaya cultivation step by step, from selecting the right seeds to creating the ideal growing environment. Cultivate your green thumb and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Dive into the world of papaya planting with expert tips that will empower you to kickstart your papaya garden with confidence. Transform your outdoor space into a thriving papaya paradise. Master the art of caring for papaya plants, ensuring they receive the love and attention they need to flourish. Create a nurturing environment that promotes healthy growth and abundant fruiting. Harvest your papayas like a pro by understanding the signs of ripeness and the best practices for picking these tropical treasures. Enjoy the fruits of your labor with perfectly ripe papayas. Embark on a journey of papaya growing success with our expert guidance. From planting to harvesting, we've got you covered with all the tips and tricks for a fruitful papaya harvest. Experience the satisfaction of growing your own papayas and relish the flavors of freshly harvested fruits. Let the joy of gardening and the taste of homegrown papayas enrich your life. Join us in the world of papaya cultivation and unlock the secrets to a successful papaya garden. From planting tips to harvesting techniques, become a papaya growing expert in no time. Immerse yourself in the beauty of papaya plants as they grow and bear fruit, adding a touch of tropical paradise to your garden. Let the allure of papayas inspire your gardening journey. Delve into the world of papaya cultivation and witness the magic of nature as you nurture papaya plants from seedlings to bountiful harvests. Experience the wonder of growing your own tropical fruits. Celebrate the journey of growing papayas in your own garden and savor the satisfaction of enjoying homegrown fruits. Start your papaya growing adventure today and reap the delicious rewards. Thank you for joining us on this educational and engaging journey of growing papaya plants from seed to fruit. May your papaya garden flourish, and may you enjoy the fruits of your labor for years to come.